Hello friends. Welcome back Joomla 5 tutorial. In this video we will explore how to fix Joomla migration errors. Migrating your Joomla website to a new version is a great way to improve security, performance, and access new features. However, encountering errors during the process can be frustrating. In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix migration errors step by step. You can read our blog Fix Joomla Migration Errors. Also you can watch our video for common issues and solutions. Here we are exploring some complicated errors generated after Joomla version migrations. Error 1. Class JRequest not found in Joomla 4. Error 2. getErrorMsg function. Error 3. Uncaught TypeError cannot read property top of undefined JS. Error 4. Call to undefined method read. Error 5. Call to undefined method query. Let's start from Error 1. Error 1. Class JRequest not found in Joomla 4. Solution. This is the most common error after Joomla migration from 3 to 4 because some Joomla built-in functions have changed, and this error is caused by JRequest, which is discontinued. So you have to replace the following. Error 2. getErrorMsg function. Solution. This error is related to MySQL query methods, which have been replaced with new methods. In this error, you have to replace it carefully. Comment on your error message method code and use the try and catch statement and MySQL query code insert into try and error message code in the catch. Error 3. Uncaught TypeError cannot read property top of undefined JS. Solution. This is a JavaScript error, so replace 2 lines of code with existing code and the rest of the code will be the same. Error 4. Call to undefined method read. Solution. In the new Joomla version, the old file read function has been deprecated, so find that function using the error line number. Replace read with file_get_contents. Error 5. Call to undefined method query. Solution. In Joomla 4 the query function has been deprecated. Replace query function with execute function. I hope these 5 errors solutions will help you in your Joomla migration. Please like and share this video, and if you are new visitor please subscribe our channel. In next video I will solve next 5 errors, so stay tuned. You can comment your errors so I will make video with solution. Thanks.